Most beginners think investing is risky or confusing. But the truth is, simple strategies can help you grow your money over time. What if I told you that you don't need to be rich, a finance expert, or even understand complicated charts to start investing in the US stock market? Today, on Wealth Logic, I'll show you how beginners can start investing step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Wealth Logic, your simple guide to smarter money decisions, investing, and building long-term wealth. If you want to learn how money really works, make sure you subscribe and join our growing community. Now let's start with the basics. What is the stock market? Simple explanation. The stock market is basically a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. For example, if a company grows and earns more money, the value of your investment can grow too. In the US, popular markets include exchanges where companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are traded. But remember, investing is not gambling. It's about long-term growth. Why beginners should invest? Many people keep their money only in savings accounts. But inflation slowly reduces the value of cash over time. Investing helps your money grow faster through company growth, dividends, extra income from some stocks, compounding over time. Starting early, even with small amounts, can make a huge difference. Best beginner strategy. Simple and safe approach. If you're new, don't try to pick random hot stocks. Instead, focus on index funds or ETFs. These track the overall market and reduce risk. Long-term investing. Think years, not days. Dollar cost averaging. Invest small amounts regularly instead of trying to time the market. This removes emotional decision-making and keeps your strategy simple. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about mistakes that many new investors make. Trying to get rich quickly. Real investing is about patience. Following hype on social media. Always research before investing. Panic selling during market drops. Markets go up and down. That's normal. Successful investors stay consistent and focused on the long-term goal. How to start today? Step by step. Here's a simple starting plan. Choose a trusted investing platform or brokerage. Learn basic terms like stocks, ETFs, and diversification. Start small, even $10 or $50 regularly. Stay consistent and keep learning. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. If you found this helpful, support Wealth Logic by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. We create simple finance videos to help you build smarter money habits without complicated jargon. Comment below if you want more beginner investing guides. And I'll see you in the next video.